Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my Love with Food tasting unboxing for July. Tasting is the smaller box. They do have an option for a bigger box, but this one is only $7.99. And we always get a little card. The theme this month, it says play. They used to give us like a product card with the products on it and promo codes, but they don't do that anymore. So, which is fine. You don't really need them for food exactly. But the first item I'm pulling out, these are cinnamon organic bears. I don't think I've ever had cinnamon gummy bears, so that's pretty cool. Jackson loves these boxes because they always have treats in them, typically. So when he gets home from summer school, I'm sure he's going to steal half the stuff in here. Next we have You Love Fruit Simply Mango. This is 100% tree ripened organic mango, and these are, yeah, peelable portable snacks. Normally there's just like little dots on a strip. It's basically like a fruit by the foot type thing. You just peel it off the paper. It's fruit leather. It's very good. These I have had and they are so good. These are key lime cookies. They're like covered in powdered sugar. Really nice lime flavor. I do love those. Those are delicious. Then we have mini nut thins. These are cheddar cheese flavors. Almond and rice cracker snacks. I've gotten these in the past in different flavors. I think Jackson normally eats these. He's a very picky eater, so I like stuff like this because he gets curious. He's like, oh, I want to try that. This is pretty awesome. We got some butter popcorn. We were arguing the other day. He got mad at me because he realized I ate the last bag of popcorn, so now I can give him that. Basically, this is a box for Jackson, I guess is what I'm trying to say. He eats most of the stuff in here. Oatmeal cranberry cookie. That looks good. He's never had oatmeal. Again, he's picky, so he'll just look at something and you can tell he doesn't want to try it, but he gets really excited about these boxes, so he might actually try some of this. And then we got a Tom and Jenny's. I think these are little caramels. It's kind of melted. Yeah, I'll have to put that in the fridge so it's not so melty. And then we did get a coupon code for the cinnamon organic gummy bears. Oh yeah, I've had these before. Cool. So that is what I got in my tasting box. Like I said, they do have a deluxe box which comes with more snacks, and I think you get 2 of each in that box, but I will put all the information below in case you want to sign up for a subscription. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.